What if I told you that the influencer you're looking at right now isn't a real person? No photo shoot, no camera, no expensive equipment, and definitely no model standing in front of a lens. Everything you're seeing was created entirely with AI. Today, I'll show you how I built a realistic AI influencer from scratch using ChatGPT and VidU AI. We'll generate a consistent character, create multiple outfits and locations, build a professional reference library, and then transform static images into cinematic videos using VidU Q3. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI influencer ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, affiliate marketing, or even your own personal AI brand. Let's get started. The first thing I need is a complete influencer concept. Instead of manually writing dozens of prompts, I'll use ChatGPT to create everything for me. My prompt asks ChatGPT to generate a realistic female influencer along with a professional 3-view character sheet. That means front view, side view, and back view of the exact same person. I also ask ChatGPT to generate multiple scene prompts for different environments such as luxury cafes, modern city streets, fashion studios, lifestyle apartments, and premium travel locations. To save even more time, I ask ChatGPT to create cinematic animation prompts that can later be used directly inside VidU Q3. This gives me a complete content package before I even open the video generator. Now that everything is ready, let's move into VidU. Inside VidU, I'll start with text to image. I'll paste the main character prompt generated by ChatGPT, select the GPT-Image2 model, and generate the images. After a few moments, VidU creates a realistic influencer together with a clean 3-view character sheet. This is one of the most important parts of the workflow. Instead of teaching the AI using only one image, we're giving it multiple angles of the same character. That helps preserve facial structure, hairstyle, body proportions, and overall identity much more effectively. Next, I'll open the Assets section and create a new reference. I'll upload the 3-view character sheet together and save everything into a dedicated ARIA reference library. Now VidU has a much stronger understanding of who this character is. This makes future generations significantly more consistent, even when changing locations, poses, outfits, or camera angles. With the reference library ready, it's time to build our content. I'll open Reference to Image and select the ARIA reference. Then I'll copy one of the scene prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste it directly into VidU. The prompt describes the location, atmosphere, clothing style, lighting, and camera composition while keeping the same influencer identity. After generating the image, VidU produces a completely new scene while still maintaining the same face and overall appearance. Now I'll repeat this process several times. I'll create scenes in luxury coffee shops, modern fashion districts, high-rise apartments, premium lifestyle environments, and cinematic urban locations. The impressive part is that every image still feels like it belongs to the same person. The hairstyle remains consistent, the facial features remain consistent, and the overall influencer identity stays intact across completely different environments. Within a few minutes, I've created an entire collection of professional influencer content without needing a camera or photo shoot. Now comes my favorite part, animation. I'll open Reference to Video. First, I'll select my character's ARIA from the reference hub. Then I'll type ARIA sitting in and select my coffee shop scene image as a second reference. Now we have two references working together, one for the character and one for the environment. This is important because it helps VidU maintain both character consistency and scene consistency at the same time. The character reference keeps Sophia's face, hairstyle, outfit details, and overall identity consistent, while the scene reference helps preserve the environment, lighting, composition, and overall visual style throughout the generation. Next, I'll head back to ChatGPT, copy the cinematic animation prompt created for this exact scene, and paste it directly into VidU. For the model, I'll select VidU Q3, which is currently VidU's most advanced model for cinematic storytelling. VidU Q3 is especially strong at realistic character motion, natural facial expressions, smooth camera movement, scene consistency, and premium commercial quality visuals. It can also generate environmental atmosphere, ambient audio elements, and more immersive cinematic results directly from detailed prompts. I'll keep the aspect ratio set to 9:16, since this format works best for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And now, with both references connected and the VidU Q3 model selected, I'll simply click Generate and let VidU bring the entire scene to life. The result feels surprisingly natural. Aria maintains her identity throughout the animation, while the camera movement and environmental effects add a much more professional look. For the next scene, I'll follow the exact same workflow. I'll keep using my Aria character reference to maintain identity consistency, and then add a new scene reference to control the environment and overall visual style. This allows VidU to preserve both the character and the scene while generating a completely new cinematic sequence. And just like that, our AI influencer is complete. What I personally like most about this workflow is how simple the entire process feels. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, VidU combines character creation, reference management, image generation, and video generation into a much more streamlined workflow. Whether you're building TikTok pages, Instagram creators, YouTube Shorts channels, affiliate marketing content, UGC-style campaigns, or digital influencer brands, this workflow can save a massive amount of time. If you'd like to try this yourself, check out the VidU link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.